Hello everyone, this is masumjia here. Let's see how can we set up Google Ads conversion tracking for our perspective funnel. Now we need the GTM setup, which you already did. You can check out on our previous videos. So now head to our Google Ads. Okay, here. Now from your accounts, come to goals and then summary, and you can create a conversion. I would need the URL of my site, copy. Okay, conversion on a website only. It's the new interface. You may see different one. I would say request code for me. Okay, so you can create whatever you want, but for me it should be no web. I want to do it edit. Yes, I want to change this Google tag. Yes, it's a personal website, so I want to do it through this. If you have one, you can just change it here. It's a new interface. Yeah, I want this setup to be Google tag, so you can see done. Save and continue. Request code, add a conversion, analytics setup pro, setup manual using a code or conversion setting. You see, whatever you want, request code, perspective. I don't want to use any value, and that's it. Done. Save and continue. Now what we need to do is we need to go to use Google Tag Manager. We will get our conversion ID, and we need one more thing is they will show the Google Tag setup. So now what I would do is discard change. I will go to use Google Tag Manager, and here click on create new. Sorry, we need Google Ads, and at Google Ads you just click on Google Ads conversion tracking, and that conversion ID is this. They are providing you this ID. Now we need conversion label. Copy this, and now we need to create Google Ads Google tag. So that tag will also work as Google Ads remarketing tag. Okay, now create this. You enter the information, you just click on create new. You see nothing, just wait, save, boom, your Google Ads remarketing tag has been successfully done from the browser side, and that's your Google Ads conversion tracking from browser site. Now there is two ways to set up the trigger. One is once someone visiting that page, thank you, you see, edit URL, and you copy this code, and then you create a trigger for this. History change, and then page URL, save, Google Ads lead, submit, tracking, basic. So that's one way to set up that conversion, and another way is copy this. So we have our premium event listener code developed by us, which will help us to throw an event to the data layer called lead captured, and you see that would just not this. We need Google Ads conversion tracking. Yes, this one. I would just copy this. Okay, so copy and change the trigger. You see, that is from our Google Ads server, from our premium data layer. So now it's time for testing that event. So we did it 2 times, right? So it should fire for 2 times, but on your turn. Okay, so let's remove my way, the premium data layer way, so that it don't show us the duplicate thing. Okay, Okay, yeah, this one. Submit, publish, and skip. So we removed my OS just through the page view or page URLs. So now go to conversion, and what we did request code is this perspective troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot, click on continue. Now we need the URL of my funnel. So enter the funnel here. Okay, solar code or whatever the funnel name is. So you come here. Now you submit the form. If the event has been successfully configured, you should see successful message. I would just go submit the information. Now enter the information of your form, email address, okay, the phone number, whatever you want to provide, just provide a phone number. Submit and proceed. Submit. Now it's submitted. You see my event has been found. That means my conversion tracking for Google Ads is successfully working, and my Google Ads remarketing tag has been successfully implemented also. So both of the thing in the single video is been successfully done for our perspective funnel. So that's it for now, and have a good day. If you have any question, just let me know. I would be happy to help you out. Bye bye.